Ingredients. 1. 1 can of tuna, drained. 2. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 3. 1 teaspoon mustard, optional. 4. 1/4 cup chopped green bell pepper. 5. 1/4 cup chopped tomato. 6. Salt and pepper to taste. 7. 2 slices of bread, toast or any kind you prefer. 8. Lettuce leaves, optional. Instructions. 1. Prepare the tuna. In a small bowl, place the drained can of tuna. Make sure to drain the oil or water. 2. Add ingredients. Add the mayonnaise and mustard to the tuna and mix well. 3. Add vegetables. Stir in the chopped green bell pepper and tomato. 4. Season. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Assemble the sandwich. Place a lettuce leaf on 1 slice of bread, optional, then spread the tuna mixture on top. 6. Close the sandwich. Place the second slice of bread on top, then cut the sandwich in half for serving. Note: 1. You can add slices of cucumber or olives to enhance the flavor. 2. If you prefer a warm sandwich, you can lightly toast the bread in a toaster or pan before adding the filling. Preparation time. 1. Total time: just 5 minutes. This recipe is quick and delicious, making it perfect for a short video as it's easy and fast to prepare. You can also add fun visual effects like speeding up the process or adding sound effects to make it more engaging.